Okay, we'll start with the first 4 bars. On the melody, I have A, B, C, A, G, F, G, H, D, G. Please remember this piece is written in F major, so when it comes to B, we want to play B flat. It might be wise to put this finger on the B flat when you start, so that you will always remember to play that B flat. And on left hand, we have F, D, G, quite straightforward. You play each note for 4 beats. Like that. Now let's move to the second phrase. The second phrase is actually easier than the first on the right hand. Hand, it's very similar as well. We start with F, D, G, but you want to end in F this time. Okay, and now for the next phrase, I want to play that B flat with my middle finger, because you will need to save your last finger, little finger, on that D. Yeah. And you have to turn here. And on the left hand, I have a B flat. So put these together. Like that. And for the last phrase, the right hand melody is the same as the second phrase. The bass line very similar to the second phrase. The only difference is I changed G to C. You have C to F, so it's a sort of 5-1 ending, more strong ending.